In today's video, I will teach you how to add motion blur to still photos using AI. Let's get started. Adding motion blur can turn a still photo into a dynamic, action-packed image. Whether you want to simulate movement, create sports photography effects, or add artistic flair, AI makes it quick and easy. Start by opening your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then log into your account for free, or create a new one if needed. Now click the plus icon in the prompt box. Then select Create Image to switch to the AI image generation mode. Now click the plus icon again, then select Add Photos or Files. You can also press Ctrl U or Command U on your keyboard as a shortcut. Now choose the image from your computer that you want to add motion blur to, and make sure to use clear photos of moving subjects for the best effect. Motion blur works particularly well on action shots, sport photos, or dynamic portraits. Now in the prompt box, describe exactly how you want the AI to apply motion blur, and make sure to include subject, direction, speed, and intensity. And here are some good prompt examples. So make sure to be specific about the objects that you want blurred or the type of motion, for example, horizontal, vertical, or radial. Now press enter to let the AI apply the motion blur effect, and wait for the AI to generate your updated image. And the first result may not always be perfect, but you can adjust your prompt to refine the blur effect until it looks realistic. Slight adjustments can make the motion blur effect look more natural or dramatic. Now hover over the final image and click download to save it to your computer. And you can also click share to post it directly to social media platforms. And here are some tips for beginners. With these steps, you can turn any static photo into a lively, dynamic scene with a realistic motion blur, all in just a few minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.